Hello, Roblox Scripting Club on YouTube again. So many of you have requested I create a store guy for you. So what I did is that I checked I checked the average people, and most people wanted seven tools. So I made a guy with 7 tools, or screen guy, graphical user interface, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So you can hit Control N to start a new game. So now you see just your blank game. So open Tools, Basic Objects, then Explore, Properties and Output. So yeah. So I'm just going to show you where to get the model. On my profile here, if you go to Models, you'll see Shop Guy. So you just take that and you have your shop guy. So now my models, shop guy. So ungroup this. So what you want to do is hit Control U while highlighting it. Control U. Come on. Control U. There. So now you see put in starter guy and leaderboard with money, and some of you guys wanted me to create an XP leaderboard. As you can see, it doesn't have like many like features because I couldn't get, or not that I couldn't get, is that like not everyone wanted it with an event. So you can always make a script that goes into your players, then leader stats, and then it will change the XP. So put in starter guy. You can see the shop. So now if you open this, you'll see read this, and it just tells you what to do. Frame and hide button. So what this is, you don't have to pay attention to this. All this is this little shop thing right here. That is the open and close button. And then you can see shop here, shop name. You can change this right in here. Like, just gonna open this a little more. Here you can change shop to like hi there, and you see it changes. So now tool 1, I'm going to show you how to actually put something in. So let's type in katana. Sure, put in starter pack, but not for long because it's going to cost. So what you want to do is copy this and cut it, like I said, not for long. Now put it in the lighting, paste into. So, and you can just rename this to katana. So now we go to tool 1, you can see here. Then the buy script. So cost, you change this to what you want the cost to be. So 15 points. So now you can say here katana, and you can't have any tool named the same thing, otherwise it won't know which one to clone, and it'll just clone a random one. So basically what this does is, here's the cash is your like XP level. I'll show this more detailed in the test mode. And cost is 15, and I'll write here change this to cost, just so you get the point. So you just change that to what you want the cost to be. So then if cash dot value, so if XP dot value is greater than the cost, then it takes away the cost, then puts it in your backpack and starter gear, so you have one with you and one ready once your player respawns. So katana, everything's good. Just one last thing you should do, change tool 1. You don't have to change its name, but you can change its you should change its text to katana, so the players know what they're buying. So, or you could also, to meet more convenient, put it Katana 15 XP, so they know what they're buying and how much it's gonna cost them. Just wait for this to load. So now, here, just put that board down. You can see hi there what we put, and then Katana. But as we can see that you don't have any XP right now. So what you have to do is go to player guy, then player 1, I'm player 1 right now, leader stats .xp, and you can change this to 15 because I actually don't have enough, or actually 20 as an example, just 20. And when I hit 15, you can see that I have the Katana now. But not only that, I had 20 before and this costed 15, so now I have 5 left. So now you've got a cool looking shop. You can change the colors and like that. And yeah, a good job. So now, like, I'll just show you how the script works more. So cache is script.parent.parent .parent, like script.parent.parent.parent, and one more parent. So as you can see, you go from script.parent.parent, then here we are now .parent, then here .parent, a lot of parents, then player 1. Whoa, I accidentally showed it from the wrong point of view, sorry. Shops tool 1 script.parent.parent.parent.parent, so that's 5 parents. Then leader stats .xp. So now cost is 15, so that's just a value 15 that's floating there. So then our function name here is onClicked. So it basically says if your XP value is greater than 10, which is greater than 15, which is your cost value, then like make it less than 15. Then it just names it rocket launch is game.katana clone. So or game.lightning.katana clone, so it goes to the lighting, clones this, and then it basically rocket launcher.parent equals your backpack, like this way to get into your backpack, and then it puts it in your starter gear, or actually backpack first then starter gear, and it makes it unanchored, so it's basically you can actually walk around with it and hold it at the same time. So then how your script here works is basically when entered, here we're going to make a new intel value, which is a number value. Then it's going to be called leader stats, which is basically the, like, our Roblox's term for, like, status. Then local cache equals instance.new intel value, which creates another intel value. And it basically, here, cache.parent equals stats, it basically puts it literally in the leaderboard. So cache.parent equals stats, so now its parent is stats, so it puts it in here. And so here cache.value, that's gonna be 10, so that's why we started out with 10. Then new player, here is what new players referring to the child that, or the player that was entered, and how it figures out that the player actually entered is game.players.child added connect on player enter. So what it does is so basically game.players.child added, we're the added child, because this is the parent to player 1, and this is the child to players, and then it connects on player 1. So it basically does this when a player starts. So you can literally use onChild added for anything to make a new thing for a new player. So thank you for watching this. I hope it helped to, especially the people who are asking me to do this, like not just one but like a couple have been asking me to show how to make screen guys or store guys, but it does a little bit on screen guys. Like it just shows how some work, like the class of basically shop guys. So I hope this helped, and yeah, thanks for watching Roblox Scripting Club on YouTube. Bye.